We divide this 83 by 5 in a long division method. So 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 3 and it is 33. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 3. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put zero. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 83 divided by 5 is 16 decimal 6. So this much for today and thanks for watching.